Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT chats missing. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, simple fix here. Click on your profile, log out, then log out. And then after that, just log back in and check if it works. If that still won't work, click on your profile again. Go ahead over to settings. Now, what we're going to do is just go ahead and find data controls and then check if you have chat history and training toggle. If you have it, make sure that it is turned on, as if it's turned off, your sidebar chats will disappear. Also, you can go ahead and go to storage. Data controls, and then archived chats right here. Click on manage. Maybe the chat is available right here. Just basically select it and click on unarchive, as it will send it back to the sidebar. Or maybe you've chatted with ChatGPT right here, and then you're not logged in. So that's one reason why your chats won't appear again. So if that's not the case, follow along. All right, you can go ahead over to status.openai.com, hit on enter. You'll be able to see this page. If under ChatGPT it got an error in the latest update right here, well, that might be the cause why your chats are missing. So you'll have to wait it out until the OpenAI status fixes it. If that's not the case, go ahead and click on the three dots on your browser. Click on settings. Now go ahead and find privacy and security. Right? Scroll down and find delete browsing data. Leave cookies and cached images ticked. And then make sure that it is set to all time. Click on delete data. Now scroll down and find third-party cookies. Now in here, scroll down, find see all site data and permissions, and then just find OpenAI and ChatGPT. If you can find them right here, just make sure that you delete them. Delete as well as OpenAI and ChatGPT, okay? Just make sure that both of them are deleted. Once that's done, force close the browser, reopen it, log in with your account, and then after that, check your chats right here in the left panel, and you should be able to find it. All right. So that's how simple it is to fix ChatGPT chats missing. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.